Yes, how is your day going so far? Thank you for clicking on this reaction. I'm checking out Kris Tomahu. This is from X Factor Indonesia. It's trending. That's why I'm checking it out. X Factor Indonesia 2024. If the video is blood is because of copyright. Let's go.
Punah semua harapan bersama.
There are no subtitles, I'll just watch like that.
Kira kau larut dalam hati. Aku menanti bayangmu kini. Andai engkau nyata dalam mimpi. Ku rasa resah bila kau tiada, hadirmu mengubah sejuta rasa pedih. Memilih aku adalah
That judge.
mengubah sejuta rasa pedih. Memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan khianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Biarkan semua mereka berkata, asal jangan pernah engkau khianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Aku bagai
He's giving me like a Guns N' Roses. If you know Guns N' Roses, he's giving like a Guns N' Roses vibe.
mentari cinta menghiasi cahaya kamarmu. Aku pun juga seperti rembulan menemani di saat malammu.
Yeah!
Memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan khianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Biarkan semua mereka berkata, asal jangan pernah engkau khianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu.
This judge is really feeling his performance.
Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu. Memilih aku adalah dirimu. Yeah, adalah dirimu. Yeah.
Hey! He has so much energy, my goodness. You know who he reminds me of a bit? You know who he reminds me of a bit? He reminds me of Roland Abante. If you've watched America's Got Talent, you remember Roland Abante? He reminds me of him a bit because he has that like sort of rough, husky voice, yeah, and then he's singing rock.
Gila! Jun, apa itu?
Gila,
Wah gila.
gue gak sabar
Ini sepanjang dia nyanyi gue gini, wah gitu.
Aduh.
Wah gila. Gila.
Gak bisa ngomong.
Gak bisa ngomong
lagi.
Emang belum tua kan?
Biar Unge yang ngomong deh udah.
I wish there were subtitles out.
Ini latihan saat.
I wish there were subtitles out. I wanted to see what the judges say about it. Anyway, you can feel free to comment below and tell me what the judges said about this performance. But I thought his voice was very good. I thought his energy was very good. You can see how much I was vibing to him. This is my first time hearing him. Yeah. Also, he seems like the kind of guy who can do rock very well. I don't know what genre he does, so maybe you can comment below and tell me. But for rock, yeah, he has the energy. He gives off like, you know, those slow songs for Guns N' Roses. He gives off that vibe. Anyway, nice recommendation.
Vote. Ini bukan anak didik gue.
If you're watching from Indonesia, shout out to you. Make sure to smash like and subscribe. Recommend more from X Factor Indonesia. In fact, I'm going to subscribe to X Factor Indonesia for more great performances. I'll see you in the next one.